In this video, you will see the completion of the ceiling, cabinets being painted, the island, cabinet doors and hardware being installed, backsplash preparation, curtains being made, a lazy assembly, exterior houseboat fixes, and how we're having fun too. Enjoy! We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. What you doing now, Dave?
I'm caulking all the seams where the batten molding and the ceiling come together. So when it's painted, it'll all look kind of like one piece, or molded.
So you got to go around and do all this batten,
Yep.
all around the crown molding.
Uh-huh.
All right.
No one else is doing it.
No, sir.
What you doing now, Karen?
Oh, I just put blue tape all around. Now I'm going to paint the molding white so Dave can paint the ceiling white. And it's going to be a long freaking day.
Long, long day.
Took forever to tape this off and do all these battens. Oh, so much work.
But it's looking like a ceiling.
It is. I know you love painting.
Oh, I do, I do.
Is there anything you like doing better than painting?
Maybe shoving bamboo shoots under my fingernails.
Paint job is almost done. It's got one more coat to go. What you doing now, Dave?
Getting ready to bore the hinge holes for the doors.
Let's see what they look like.
That's what a door looks like.
Ah, shaker. We bought them. We had them made. Custom made. But Dave got himself a new toy here.
So that's a ½ inch.
He used to have a huge one. He sold it.
I could go 3 inch.
4-inch, 3-inch.
About that deep. Alright, there it is. 2 holes. For the door manufacturer, drill those 2 holes.
Yeah.
$4.50 a piece.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that'll end up paying for the drill press.
$70 or $80. How many holes do I gotta drill?
Oh my God.
I gotta drill, what, 2 holes per door, almost 100 holes?
$400?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
And the hinge goes in there like that. Alright.
So you're going to put these all on and then you're going to take them off so you can paint them?
Yeah. Found the existing hole.
And boom. Then we're going to have to sand all this down so we can paint it. Got quite a few to do, including this island.
What you doing now, Karen?
Sanding. I had to remove all the guides.
Oh, give us that exhausted.
I am exhausted. I'm sweating and it's nice and cool in here. I had to remove all the drawers and
Let's see all the drawers and all the glides.
now I'm going through and I'm sanding off all the crud before I paint. And thank you for the tip about putting the sandpaper on a piece of wood. So that's what I'm doing, going through and sanding them all.
Alright.
But we've got going on to the cabinets up. Now we got to take them down because we got to paint them.
And a bunch of the cabinet doors are up.
All the hinges on and stuff. And then we'll have to take them down and paint them.
Yeah. What we doing?
Hey, this is a lot easier.
Oh, breaking out the power tool.
Yeah. I want to go to
More power tools.
More tools! I got one thing to say.
Boy, oh boy, Karen, you're just a Jill of all trades.
Yeah, I hate painting. I hate stapling. I hate pulling molding off. I guess I shouldn't have remodeled, huh? Yeah, we got these done so far.
Let's take a look, see what we got here.
Working on the second coat right now.
Oh, yeah.
We're getting there.
Yep.
This sucks. It's going to take like 2
I don't know. If you had a couple 100,000 staples ahead of you, you'd be painting.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I just don't want to have to do 2 or 3 coats on that I have to. So you just screwed those things into the floor.
Yep. And then I'll put the cabinet over top of them and shoot through the floor of the cabinet into those.
So you'll be able to run your power and plugs into the island once you set it back up.
Right.
And it won't move because it'll be attached to these things.
Be attached to those blocks on the floor.
Dave, you don't look like you're having any fun.
I'm not.
What's going on?
I'll just...
Trying to put all the guides in for the drawers and
Yeah,
stuff?
it's a pain in the butt. I mean, I got half my tools here.
Yeah.
And what I'm using's antique.
So this is a portion of the island that we will be sitting at as our new table. Our countertop table.
Yeah.
Got the legs on.
Got the legs on.
How come this sticks out here like that?
Oh.
Why isn't it like flush?
Because, well, you want it to line up with this.
Uh-huh.
Right? But when the outside corner molding comes on here, you want it to go all the way up. So this has to be recessed.
Oh.
So you have to have a recess here.
Oh. You should do videos on how to build stuff.
No, I shouldn't.
Getting the cabinet doors put on.
About time, huh?
Looking pretty.
Coming around.
It is. Now we got to get all the gray ones done
Is
down
it-
below.
But is it what you envisioned?
Pretty much. Including my fancy blue island. How goes the cabinets?
They're going.
Only got a couple more to do here. And all the drawer fronts.
Yeah. Drawer fronts go pretty quick.
Oh, you just jinxed yourself.
I sure did, didn't I? Yeah.
New dishwasher will be going in too. You got a little template you're using?
Yeah.
Drilling your holes?
Yeah, at least marking them.
I gotta drill the holes for all the handles.
Lucky you.
Yay!
What you doing now, girlfriend?
Putting the handles on.
Well,
Just got them started, now I'm going around and tightening them up.
all right. Let's take a
I
look.
like them.
Let's take a look at them here. Oh, ain't that pretty? Pretty.
Tell me they're pretty. They're pretty.
They're pretty. Now, Karen.
Well, taking all this old glue off of here.
How you doing that? With a heat gun and
a putty knife thingy. So I still got this much more to go.
oh, that's not much at all.
I'm doing pretty good. So we are going to be getting our new countertop, which is quartz. And then we'll be putting this up here.
Oh, that'll look nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, when we originally bought the boat, it just had this beadboard on it, and then we put tumbled marble on it years ago. And now we're updating.
What you doing now, Karen?
I'm making curtains for the boat out of paint canvas because it's cheap and it's neutral and it's heavy. I'm going to be using 𝗍𝗟𝗘𝗏𝗧𝗦. It's just this tape that you can use to fuse the seams together. I'm not doing any sewing. What you doing now, Dave?
I'm instructing Karen on how to put this thing together.
Who?
Karen.
I don't think she's here.
Yeah, Karen's here.
What are you putting together? We got a
You
picture
are
on the
putting
front.
together your,
Console.
yeah,
Double drawer console table.
and it looks like a dandy.
This is from Wayfair. We got a bag of parts. Oh boy. And all these pieces of wood.
Karen's going to have to start off with a Phillips screwdriver.
Karen's going to hand the Phillips screwdriver to Dave.
Dave's going to hold it while Karen grabs the part number 1.
And hands it to Dave.
And she lays it on the table
And look.
hands the screwdriver.
This sucker is going to match our floors nicely.
You're killing time. You're just trying to buy
Okay,
time.
you need a Phillips. You need
a Phillips.
You need a Phillips.
You do.
And part number 1. Okay,
I have
I'll
number
get that
1,
for
but
you.
you need a Phillips.
Now we know why they call it a lazy boy.
Damn right. Because the lazy girl won't assemble it.
I don't have a lazy girl chair. Okay, there's your number 2. Without a number 2 on it.
Without a number 2 on it.
You're moving right along there. In your chair.
I got out of the chair once.
Well, I got that far and I had to take it off his lap so he could do this part because he's doing this without getting out of the chair no matter what. Aren't you amazing?
Put it in my lap.
You did it.
Damn right I did.
Put the whole thing together in a lazy boy chair. As you saw in a previous video, we had to have our houseboat pulled so that we could get some work done on an outdrive. Found out we needed to have both outdrives worked on, but we were able to stay in Dixie, our RV, which was just steps away, for a week while the boat was out of the water. This stuff like works instantaneously, doesn't it?
Damn near.
It's just got a real mild odor to it.
What are you doing now, Karen?
Eating tape.
Well, is it?
Whoa.
Hey, doesn't want to be eaten.
Yeah. I'm taping up this black line because we're going to repaint it because it got rubbed off. Well, I got one side all taped up. And here's Dave painting it up. And here it is after we painted it. So this old canvas is going bye-bye. Got tore up in that storm last summer. It probably provided a little bit of coverage from the rain, because that one side over there did get tore up. It's gonna look so much better when we get a black canvas with screen on it. And here it is. It's got screen on it, so it provides more privacy, and it keeps that front porch a little cooler in the summertime, allows some air to come through. And we got it all up here along the railings and in the back too. And we have a hard door instead of just a flap. But although you can't see in very well, you can see out just fine. And here's what we like to do with the pontoon boat. Take a little ride in the evening. Perfect weather. Most of the weekenders have gone home. We are at Aqualand Marina's Pigtails restaurant with Tom and Kim Cook. We met them, oh my gosh, 3 years ago? 2 years ago or so?
About 3, yeah.
And it's an outdoor restaurant for the barbecue. And they do allow pets. It's a pet friendly. They have a watering station for pets. And they have the most awesome view. And then we like to have our cookouts with the people on the dock. A lot of good cooks here. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.